All right, I know there are still a handful of you who have not figured out or taken the time to put together your part three for Tres Personas Famosas. So I've got just over 10 minutes before class starts now. I know I have, uh, anyway, I'm going to show you how to do it. This is going to be a video. If you don't join us in class today, I'm going to send this to you. I hope it's useful and serves you well. So this is my speed build, parte tres personas famosas. What a lot of people forgot was I did mention that this one needs a title. So notice I'm going to do that first. And Spanish has different capitalization rules than English, but no matter all that much. You just want to make sure that you do have your title. Now I picked. You can see the, my kids and I been watching Men in Black. They've been introduced to the Men in Black series. So yesterday we watched Men in Black 2. So I picked three actors from Men in Black 2: Tommy Lee Jones, Will Smith, Rosario Dawson for this. So we're going to need some images. And I think I can just search the web here right inside my doc. That's fine. Okay, obviously this is very big. And watch what I'm doing here. Watch how I format this. Again, I'm going to wrap my text. All right. Clicking that middle button, you see what happens. But clicking again, moving this over, it is going to allow me to insert my other pictures all in a row. So again, picking that middle option, moving with the text, wrapping the text. It's going to allow me to put my three pictures together. All right, underneath my title, Tres Personas Famosas. Now, part three had two parts. All right, we started with the comparative, followed by the superlative. Never six for each will do it. Now, some height. I know who's oldest. It's going to help me compare some people. Tommy Lee Jones, Will Smith are both tall. Now, with the comparative, we always use que. So I got my comparative here. Here's my conjugated verb es, as he is. Will Smith es más alto. All right, es más alto. They're both tall. Now, older. I know that Tommy Lee Jones is older than Will Smith. So that's one of the irregulars. So a regular comparative right here, we're using más or menos. Then we have the irregulars, mayor, menor, mejor, y peor. When we compare, we're comparing two things. Okay. Ahora, all right, so Will Smith is taller than Tommy Lee Jones. Tommy Lee Jones is older than Will Smith. Más alto que, mayor que. They always have que. You have conjugated verb. All right. Now, comparing X with Y. I think all these people are beautiful, but I'm going to say Rosario Dawson is she's cuter than Will Smith. All right. I want to use Manos in one of these, so I will say Will Smith is menos lindo, bonito, guapo. Now, another negative, younger than Rosario Dawson is younger than Will Smith. I did my research. It's 11 years difference. Es menor que, younger than. So we've got one with menos. We've got menor. Those are required. Now we need at least one that has a verb that is not ser. All right, so I'm going to say doesn't tiene los ojos más grandes. She's got bigger eyes than Tommy Lee Jones. All right, so this time with, and then we'll say Will Smith seems better. There's better. You know, he's very talented. So again, another verb that is not ser. Those with the irregular have the same word order as English. So mayor, menor, older, younger, mejor, peor. Will Smith sings better than Tommy Lee Jones. Same word order in the comparative. All right, now superlative, acting a little bit different. This time we're picking one of the three that stands out somehow. The rest of the rules are largely the same. However, superlative uses de to separate our individual from the group, not que. So I know that Will Smith is the tallest of my three. I know that Tommy Lee Jones is the oldest. All right, so I'm going to go ahead with the same several choices here. Now, the superlative is also saying he's the tallest, all right? So I need a the, in this case, él, es el más alto. He's the tallest de mis personas famosas. All right, and I know that Tommy Lee Jones is the oldest. El mayor de Tres personas famosas. And then Rosario Dawson being born in 79. She's just a kid. Es la menor. Why la? Because she is a lady. Right. See, we're following almost the same rules. We've got the same verb here. Ser. Instead of más alto que, we have el más alto de mis personas famosas. Now, I think Tommy Lee Jones is the best actor out of the group. You could argue that, but he's pretty talented. Es el actor más famoso de los tres out of the three. Why not? Well, good actors, but I think Tommy Lee Jones might be the best, the most talented. And they're all adorable. But sorry, Dawson is la más bonita. She's the prettiest. All right. Got about 2 minutes till class starts. I need one that does not have ser. All right. Please tener again los ojos más grandes y también el pelo más largo. Notice de to separate them from the group, just like in the comparative que, and que separated them from the other in the comparative. Now I've got my title up here, Tres Personas Famosas. I'm going to make that big and bold. I'm going to get rid of this information because I don't need that anymore. I've got my comparative, I've got my superlative. You could number them if you want, but you don't have to. Some people did. All right. That's it. So that's my 12-minute speed build. I hope this serves you. Again, use this if you need it. Some of you do. Some of you are just going to make some quick corrections on yours.